sit in a comfortable position. Make sure you can stay in this position for an extended period of time without straining, and place the candle ideally, this should also allow for a safe distance, at a distance where your eyes are at a 45-degree angle when gazing down at the flame, facilitating both comfort and focus. Start by taking a few deep breaths as you bring all your attention and your awareness to the flame. Gaze at the flame, remembering to blink, and take it all in as you breathe deeply. Reflect on everything you've discovered in the previous 2 lessons, both with all your physical senses and your mental and emotional associations. Bring them to life inside of you. And when you feel you're present with the candle, and both internally and externally, but more important internally, start to close your eyes and see if you can see and feel and touch and taste and hear, and also emotionally feel and mentally feel the presence of the candle with your eyes closed. Now we are keeping the candle flame for a little while, because if you need to open your eyes for reference, you can. So close your eyes and then open your eyes to just check if what you see, and it doesn't just have to be a visual, so not everyone sees, but you might feel or know or have the sense of presence of the candle that you know is coming from within and from your relationship with the candle, your memory of the candle. When you have this knowing of presence or an actual visual, this is also why we played with all our senses, where you just hear it very powerfully. Whatever way you visualize, you want this full experience of the candle, also with your eyes closed. And then reference that over and over again. Continue doing this for as long as you need to, studying rigorously like a real magical apprentice, the skill of visualization. And keep referencing until you feel you strongly know or strongly see, strongly feel the candle within, and you don't need to reference the candle anymore. Once you've got this down, you can blow out the candle and set it aside. Because for the next couple of lessons, you will not be needing this anymore. You are ready for some real exciting visualization practices. Thank you so much for practicing.